Thanks for joining us today. My name's Thad Skinner, and we're going to discuss the heavy-duty steel tubs that we offer. Both of the tubs, the one here with legs and the one here with the casters, are made out of 3/16 gauge steel. They also have a 1-inch bar that goes around the tub. What this allows you to do is hoist the tub up using a crane or other lifting device. This tub shown right here with legs is 255 pounds empty. So it's a very heavy, very durable tub. The tub here with casters is 330 pounds, so I'm not even going to attempt to lift that tub. Another nice feature on this tub with legs is you can fork it from the end as well as the front, so you do have access on all 4 sides. The tub with casters here, it has 2 8-inch swivel casters and 2 heavy-duty rigid casters. So it's very easy to move over top of debris on a job site on a finished floor that may have debris on it as well. So if you have any questions or need any additional information, please visit us at EZGMFG.com or contact us at 800-417-9272.